How to use two audio outputs at the same time on Windows. So if you want to use two audio outputs at the same time on your Windows, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Once you open up your settings, now you need to go with System, which is on the left side, and then go with Sound. And under Sound, if you scroll down, then here you will have Advanced, and under Advanced you will have more sound settings. So click on more sound settings and it will take you to this kind of interface. And now you can just simply go with the recording section, and under recording you can just right click on the white space and then make sure that show disabled devices is ticked. Once it's ticked, now you can just simply go with the device in which you would like to use the audio output and right click on it and then go with enable. Once you've enabled, then the audio output will be enabled. And now you can just double click on the audio output that you're using and then go with listen, and under listen you need to go with listen to this device, and then under your playback through this device you need to go with the drop down and select the speakers. Once you've selected the speakers, you just need to simply go with the levels section, and under levels you can make sure that your sound is up, and then you can go with apply and OK, and after that you can use your two audio outputs at the same time on your Windows. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.